Pleasant words are like a honeycomb, sweetness to the soul and health to the bones. Do not be wise in your own eyes, fear the Lord and depart from evil. It will be health to your flesh, and strength to your bones. When Jesus heard that, he said to them, Those who are well have no need of a physician, but those who are sick. For bodily exercise profits a little, but godliness is profitable for all things, having promise of the life that now is and of that which is to come. Therefore remove sorrow from your heart, and put away evil from your flesh, for childhood and youth are vanity. Hope deferred makes the heart sick, but when the desire comes, it is a tree of life. Jesus said to him, If you can believe, all things are possible to him who believes.